How to create Facebook page easily. First thing first, head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on this three line at the top right. So right here you'll find the menu of pages. Tap on it. Now tap on create at the top left. It will land you on this interface. Tap on get started. So in this section, enter the name for your page that you prefer. Once you are done, tap on next. Now from here, select the category that describes you. You can also search for the category here. But for now, let me select this category, music or band. Once you have selected your category, tap on create at the bottom. Now right here, you need to fill up some of the information to set up your page. You need to enter your bio, website, email address, your phone number, and many more. Once you have filled up all of this information, tap on next at the bottom. For now, you can simply skip all of these, so tap on next. Now you can simply tap on done at the bottom. You need to wait for a while. So there you go, your Facebook page has been successfully created. Now later on, you can modify your Facebook page according to your need and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your Facebook page. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.